Greetings, EOS.io community and DApp community, Liquid DApp community. Ross here from EOSphere, and today I want to take you through a new DSP portal, this one from Malta Block. You might not recognize the name Malta Block, but Malta Block is essentially Airdrop's DAC that have rebranded, and they've put together this DSP portal, which is now feature complete. And Michael Gucci, the CEO of Malta Block, wanted me to take you through it. Malta Block, otherwise known as Airdrop's DAC, have been around since 2017, working in the EOS.io community, EOS community, helping with the launch, and helping with a lot of airdrops. I know that us at Emanate actually used them to do a few of our airdrops, and they've definitely pioneered the way that the DApp network using a DSP portal and what was previously known as VRAM in order to make it cost effective to do an airdrop. And so the next logical step is for them to create an interface. So let me take you through that today. So one of the coolest features about the Malta Block DSP portal is that you can log in with varying wallets. So Scatter, Ledger, which I'm told is one of the few that can actually enter above 3 indices, which is pretty cool. Obviously, you got your Lynx wallet, Meet One wallet, Token Pocket wallet. I'm going to just log in with my Scatter, and I've actually got an account from the initial snapshot, which we'll go in with. So logging in, immediately you'll be able to see exactly how much DApp you've got, if you've actually got normal DApp inside the account, what of that normal DApp staked or unstaked at the moment. This account that I've got had DApp hodl tokens, so that's obviously the airdrop that the Liquid Dapps network put together that you can claim on a regular basis. So if you just click on claim, let's just refresh what I've got. We'll allow that. You can see that I've got a few DApp tokens, DApp hodl tokens, and it'll now refresh my transaction. Transaction successful, excellent. You can see that this obviously slowly ticks up. If you click on withdraw, it stops you from participating in the actual DApp hodl continuous airdrop, which goes on for another 475 days. So you don't want to do that. But very cool. You'll be able to see exactly what packages are available across all the DSPs. So obviously a DSP stands for a DApp service provider. EOSphere are actually a service provider ourselves. So you can see all of the actual packages that have been put out. And as you can see, many people have got on board and are putting together quite a few different packages, and you can actually search specifically on whatever you're looking for. So if you're looking for an Oracle service, you can click on Oracle service filter, and you better see, oh, there we go, there's EOSphere. We offer an Oracle service, and you can stake the DApp that you've got, or actually unstake the amount of DApp you've got. But I'll show you that underneath the next column. You can filter on the actual service itself, what the minimum stake is, and of course you can search for a specific service. If you go into the staked, you can see that this account of mine, I've actually staked to the EOSphere X DSP, which is the name of our DSP. I've staked 14.99 DApp, which is cool to be able to see. And if I wanted to unstake that, I could click on base, I could unstake and click unstake. So you can see you've obviously got your normal DApp tokens, and then you've got your DApp hodl, which, like I showed you how I claimed it already there. All right, then you can also get a list of the actual DSPs that are out there at the moment. And you see there are quite a few these days. Wow, look at that, up to 26. And they categorize it based on the total amount of tokens that are staked, the percentage of all the stake that actually belongs to that specific account, the number of users, and the daily reward that this DSP provider will actually be getting. As you can see, block start are right at the top. Where's EOSphere? There's EOSphere down here, 123,000 staked, and we just getting 25 DApp a day. So yeah, cool. If you go look at the services, it shows you the split of the services of where people are actually staking themselves. So you can see that the stake service by far gets 71% of the amount of total stake, which is huge. 1,070 users, followed by the IPFS services, which is used for the Liquid accounts, and then going all the way down to log services, where there are only 2 users that are using that at this point, right? And then, of course, you've also got your day and night switch. Now, a cool feature of the Malta Block DSP portal is it actually shows you the Liquid airdrops that are currently going on. So if we have a look, you can see the account that I've logged in. At this point, you can either claim EMT or Tulip tokens. I actually don't have any EMT to claim, but I could actually claim Tulip tokens if possible. So this technique has actually been pretty much pioneered by Michael Gucci and his team, working very closely with the Liquid dApps guys. If you are thinking of actually deploying or providing an airdrop of your token, I suggest getting in contact with Michael Gucci directly, and I'll leave his contact details in the description below. And they can definitely help you get your tokens out there without incurring a huge amount of cost for RAM. But yep, that's pretty much the portal. It's dsp.maltablock.org. Certainly one of the nice looking ones, and pretty feature complete and full of information for you. So go give it a check. Thanks. Cheers.